Hi, today I'm going to show you step by step how to create simple email AI agent in the easiest possible way. In this video, I'm going to focus more on how AI agents work and how to connect tools to work with each other. I'm going to do it with no code, using only tools available in n8n. So I hope that by the end of this video, you will get the idea how you can use AI agents in your everyday work. Okay, so before we start, let me show you a quick demo of how AI agent that we are going to build will work. First, we need to send a chat message to our AI agent. I'm gonna type send an email to David that the meeting with marketing team is today at 2 p.m. Schedule it in calendar. Okay, agent gets the message. Thanks for a second. Gets an information from Google Sheets. And as you can see, it sent a message and created an event in our calendar. Now let's take a look at our calendar. As you can see, we have a meeting scheduled at 2 a.m. Now let's take a look at email. And as you can see, AI agent sent an email with subject meeting with marketing team. The meeting with marketing team is today at 2 p.m. And he sent it to David Jones, david.jones@example.com. If we go to our contacts in Google Sheets, you'll see that we have David Jones, and his email address is david.jones@example.com. We can also easily delay this meeting and get any information about our other meetings just by sending a message to our AI agent. Now you get the idea how our agent works. Now let me show you how I build it and how you can do it too. The first thing that you need to do is chat message as a trigger. In the new workflow, all you need to do is click this plus button and find on chat message. When we have our chat message, now we need to add our AI agent. Just click this plus button and find AI. Click AI and find AI agent. In AI agent, in source of prompt, we need to use define below. In prompt, we need to use our chat input. You have to click expression. $sign JSON that chat input. Now we need to add our system message. All you need to do is click add option and choose system message. You can generate your system message using ChatGPT or Gemini or even Claude. I'm just gonna paste my system message. It looks like this. I have core operating principles and available tools description. I also have current date and time information. Okay, now we need to add LLM, which is a brain. I'm gonna use Gemini. .5 flash is okay. We also need memory. I'm going to add simple memory. Just click this plus button and find simple memory. Context window length 5 is okay. And now we are going to add tools that we need. The first tool that we are going to add is Google Sheet. So all we need to do is click this plus button. In search, type Google Sheets. Click Google Sheets tool. operation get row. And now you need to make sure that you choose write document and write sheet. Okay, now you can go back. The next tool is Gmail, and because we want to send an email. So we're going to use Gmail. And once again, click this plus button, type Gmail, and click this Gmail tool. In Gmail, all we want to do is change email template from HTML to text. All these fields we can let the model define in our case. And in operation, we're gonna add operation, append n8n attribution, and we're going to uncheck this. Okay. Now let's get back to our AI agent. Okay, now we are going to add Google Calendar. We want to create an event, delete an event, and get information about our events from calendar. So the first tool that we are going to add is create an event. Once again, click this plus button, type Google Calendar, choose Google Calendar tool. Make sure that in operation you have create. Now you need to choose write calendar. I also want my events in calendar to have title, so I'm going to add summary by clicking add field, choose summary, and I'm going to let the model define. Okay, now we can go back. When we have create an event, now we are going to delete an event. Plus button, type Google Calendar, click Google Calendar tool. Now instead of create, choose delete. Once again, you need to choose your calendar, and event ID, I'm going to let the model define automatically. Okay, now we can go back again. And the last tool that we are going to add is get an information about our events. So I'm going to click this plus button once again, type Google Calendar, in operation I'm going to choose get many, calendar, make sure you choose the right one. In return all, I'm gonna let the model define this parameter, and now we can go back to our AI agent. Okay, our simple AI agent is ready. Now it's time to test it. I'm gonna send a message just by clicking open chat. In chat, I'm going to type send an email to, for example, let's say James. That the meeting with investors is on Friday at 8 a.m. Schedule it in my calendar. Okay, let's send a message. Agent gets it, thanks for a second. As you can see, agent get contact data from Google Sheets. It sent an email and created an event. Now let's take a look at our email. Meeting with investors. Hi James, the meeting with investor is on Friday at 8 a.m. James Smith. James.Smith at example.com. Let's take a look at contacts. James Smith, James.Smith at example.com. Now let's take a look at our calendar. And as you can see, we have event created in our calendar on Friday at 8 a.m. Okay, now let's ask our AI agent, when is the meeting with investor? I'm going to type just when in this week I have a meeting with investor. And I'm going to send a message. As you can see, agent gets the message. He checked in events. And in output, you have a meeting with investor on Friday at 8 a.m. Okay, now we are going to delete this event. I'm just going to type delete an event called meeting with investor on Friday at 8 a.m. Okay, agent gets the data. Okay, as you can see, agent get the data, get an information about our events, and deleted an event. Your event meeting with investor on Friday at 8 a.m. has been deleted. Now let's take a look at our calendar, and we have no meetings on Friday. Okay, I hope that now you get the idea how to create simple AI agents like this and how to use them. Okay guys, that's it for today. See you in next video.